Okay, let's try something different.
Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today I'll be showing you some items that are located in HomeGoods. It's one of my favorite stores to go to for home decor and to look at furniture and things like that. So I wanted to share with you some of the finds that I've been seeing, looking for things for my office, my living room, and for my bedroom. So if you're ready to spend those dollars and cents that we've earned in all of our unconventional ways, brace yourself for these great finds at great prices. So one of my favorite things to look at when I go into HomeGoods is the art. I love this beach picture. I was about to buy it, but I saw another one by the same artist, and that one's $179.99. It's this one, this big wave, and I just fell in love with that one more because it has more of the blue that I want to put into my office. But I also loved this painting as well. It's just very dark though, more of the darker blues, and I'm trying to lighten it up in my office. But I wanted this for my living room because it has gold, silver, and white, which is all in my living room, and I thought it would bring it together nicely. I also really liked this painting, but it has silver in it, and I just don't have a need for it. But I really did like that as well, and it's $39.99. Then this trunk I really liked. So I wanted to show you guys that as well, and it has wheels on that end of it, and on the other end it doesn't, so I'm just showing that, but I love the detail on it and how nice that is. And then I also saw this that I really fell in love with because of all the bling. It's a cake holder, I guess you would say. And then I also saw this which matched it, and you can let that handle down at the top. So I really liked those. And then I saw these trays as well. That's actually two trays stacked on top of each other that also match it. And I had to show these because it put me in the mindset of a Pier 1 bar set that they have. And these would go perfectly with that, with the seahorses and the starfish. And also I love this vase here. I think it would go great in my beach themed office. I may get it if it's not gone already. And they have the balls with the rope on it like everybody else. And I love this jar here for $14.99, and this wind chime for $9.99. Just so nice. I may make that on my own if it's gone. And I love this vase, this ombre like vase, and that candle doesn't come with it. They just stuck that in there, but that was really pretty. This chair was perfect when I sat in it for how I want for to put in my office, but it's just not the right color, so I couldn't get it. But I also went ahead and I liked the wood effect to it because I think it would go nice with my beach theme, but it just wasn't the right color for me. I need a black chair and I can't find one. I also love this ottoman table, $199.99. Really love it. Tempted to buy it, but I don't have anywhere I want to put it. And I was tempted to buy this as well. I really love this storage bench for $129.99. I want to put it at the foot of my bed, but I don't know if I want to incorporate gray into my room. It's black and white. I love these office chairs. Anything crystal and tufted, I just love, and gold as well. But the white chair was $99.99. I couldn't see the price on the pink chair. Saw this for an office. It's like a leather material to hold files, papers, or whatever, and I really like that with the gold metal, and it's $19.99. Also saw this to match. It's like a little tray you can put stuff in. It's $7.99. I love these little signs like put on your desk that say girl boss, boss lady, and one that says you can call me teacher of the year. They're white and gold for $7.99. And this one says a clutter desk is a sign of genius, and I really like that because I think it fits me probably when I get my office together for $7.99. This one says I'm busy. It's black, white. Wait, was it blue? Maybe a navy blue. Um, and gold, and it's for $7.99 as well. And this set is for your office to go with your office theme, black, white, and gold. And that's some sticky notes And then the other ones are sticky notes as well, just in cute little shapes with a black and white pen and some gold paper like clips. And I love that. I actually got that. Wait, no, I didn't. For $7.99, I got another set. And I wanted to show some of the neat little cute notebooks they had. This one's $9.99. I love the color of it. And this one as well, I just thought was so cute. She's looking like at a map or whatever, with a trunk open, standing there at $3.99. This one says more issues than Vogue, black, white, and gold. I love those colors together, and that's $3.99. And then this one I thought was so cute. Work hard so you can shop harder. And it's just some like tattered jeans at the bottom with some cute little heels. And I love that one as well. And this lamp, I love their lamp section. I always have to check it out. It's $59.99. This is very high end looking. I have seen this in photos for like interior design. I really love it. Tahari always makes great stuff. This is another high end looking lamp. I've seen lamps like this one as well, and it's $59.99. This is another lamp that I love that they had, but it's $59.99 as well, like a marble type look. And I like this one because it's tribal, and that is really trending right now, and that one is $39.99. This one has a marble type look to it as well, and it's $59.99, more of an oval type shape. And this one is another high-end looking type of lamp. I've seen so many interior design photos with a lamp just like this, and it's $49.99. Great prices for the lamps, and they're very, very nice. And I love this one for some reason. I'm going in so you can see the details on it. It's blue and white, and I just love it. I don't know why. But it's $59.99. I thought about getting that for my beach room, but I didn't. And this lamp I absolutely love. I bought two of them. I had to get it. Like, these lamps were being put out while I was there, essentially. And when I saw that I had to get it, afterwards I stumbled across it online. Wasn't even trying to. I was looking at something about driftwood, and these are the prices that I saw this lamp for. So I was really, really excited that I got it for $79.99 a piece. This lamp is another one that I absolutely love, and I was thinking about getting it for my office, and I didn't at first, but I ended up going back and getting one of them for my office. I don't know if I'm going to need two lamps or not, but I got one for $59.99. Well, I hope you enjoyed shopping with me at HomeGoods and that you noticed some good finds. If you would like more videos like this, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.
Okay, let's try something different.